out a party, man. Oh my God.
I'm a fire starter, twisted fire starter.
Back at Mitch's workshop, he just brought the car back from getting pinion angles done, Mitch. Pinion angles and all the diff alignment and all that magical stuff that needs to happen when you got a 1,000 horsepower car, or any car really, but when you're pumping out big horsepower and doing skids, it's got to be just right. If that does not get you pumped for this Good Friday, I don't know what will. That was crazy. Oh man, so G'd. So Pete Thompson in Skidlarks is all ready. Mitcho and Chaotix is all ready. Mate, the boys are on. Call it an Arvo. Seriously, that's just way too much excitement for a Monday. But huge shout out to Mitcho. Definitely, that was awesome. I am so pumped. A few more days and we're good to go. Good Friday burnouts. Phone was just about to die. It's only just hanging in there, so I'm going to can this episode here. All right, and I'll see you at Good Friday. See you guys.